everyone, I had a special request to do a, oops, it's going out of focus, to do a pattern called link feather. Boy, my camera does not like all that white. Okay, to do a pattern called link feather. I cannot show you the step outs because I don't have permission from the person who owns their blog to do so. But you can find the step out. It's from Helen Williams. Her step out is on her blog, A Little Lime. It's on Blogspot, so it's alittlelime.blogspot.com. And then it's the post dated October 2nd, 2012. And the post is titled Garden Cows, Flowers, and Feathers. Because I tried to just look it up under link feather and I couldn't find it that way. I had to actually, I found it using Google and then images and then Pinterest and then going from Pinterest to this link. It was, so if you want to find it more directly, go to alittlelime.blogspot.com and then look for this, Garden Cows, Flowers, and Feathers. Okay, and that should take you to the blog post where she describes this particular pattern. And so I'm going to do it, but I can't show you the step outs. So I'm just going to talk you through it. I'm going to draw a little, I'm going to do it this way. It's kind of hard, but I want to do it on the bigger page. I'm going to draw myself just a little pencil line, kind of like where I want my feather to kind of start and end. First thing we want to do on the little end, the tip of your feather, you want to start with a little kind of a little loop like that. I'm going to zoom in a little. Okay, and this is, she says she got this inspiration from the pattern called Knit. So it's the pattern Knit, which is K-N-Y-T. So if you look that one up, I don't remember where that one is hosted. So anyway, you'd have to look that one up on your own. But this is inspired by that. So you're going to start there. And then you're going to do this shape like that. Okay. And then you're going to come and do this shape like this. And then this shape like that. Okay. As you get down the feather, this curve's going to get bigger. And this little loop's going to get a little bigger. Like so. One more maybe. Like that. Okay, so now I've got them. Oops, you didn't see those last few. Sorry, forgot. I'm on the big page. You can't see. Okay, I'm going to try to stay zoomed out, and I'm going to try to stay at an angle where you guys can watch what I'm doing. Okay, but basically you're just doing that shape. Where's my scrap page? I can zoom into my scrap page. You're doing this shape, and then you're doing that shape, and then this shape, and then that shape. Okay, and you just make them bigger as you go down your page. And you can come and connect that like that if you didn't get far enough over, like that, and like that. Okay, that's the extent of that part of the pattern. Okay, I'm going to zoom back out. Can you see the whole thing? Okay, you can see the whole thing. Now, step 2, you're going to start down here at the end. Okay? And you're going to come here a little bit away. You're going to come out and you can come up there like that. Okay? And then the next one goes this way. You're going to come around like this, but then you're going to come under, like you're going under here, and you're going to come up like that, and you're going to take this one up and just kind of connect it like that. And then this one here, this bottom one, you need to come and connect it up in here like that somewhere. Okay. And then you just do that again for the bottoms of each of these loops. The top stays, the bottom becomes the next feather. So this one's going to come around this way. Like that. And then come under and connect. And then this one, same thing. Going to come from here around. And under and connect like that. This one, I'm going to go around and under. Around and under. And that can be whatever shape you want it to be. Like that. I went the wrong way on that one, but that's okay. Same thing with here. Around there. Let's do this one the wrong way also. Why not? So this one's going to come maybe it's going to come overlap that one. It's not the wrong way, but it, you know what I mean. This one. Oops. This one comes under here. Kind of like that. And this one is going to come way out here because I feel like that's where it wants to live. And then this one is getting smaller. And this one I really want to and then this one maybe around like so. And maybe this one like that. Okay, so see how that went? And then what she does is she draws this stem down through the middle of all of that. Something like this. Something like that. And I almost feel like I want to make these come this way. So I'm going to do that. I want it a little fuller. So on this side of this knit, I'm going to just go ahead and bring up another one coming this way. Because why not, right? Let's just make these fuller. Because I don't understand why we would only connect one side, why we wouldn't connect the other side too. Although it isn't shown that way. But, you know, I can never leave things alone. I've always got to do things my own way. Oh yeah, to me that's better. So I want to go maybe right in here. Like that. And this one will come out. I want it to come up way up there, I think. Why not? Absolutely, why not? And then this one comes out here. That. This one. That. And this one. That. So if you can go and practice the pattern called knit, once you have that, you can probably do this. Super easy. This is fun though. I'm really having fun. Thank you to whoever it was who asked for this, because I'd never seen it before, never heard of it. But boy, is this fun to do. There we go. Oh, I really like that. Okay, here's the whole thing. You could probably embellish more than that if you want, or color it in. She's got these colored in, but I don't think I want them colored in. I think I like them like that. Okay, there you go. There's a little bonus for you. So make sure you go over to Helen Williams' blog over at A Little Lime at blogspot.com. And then 2012, October 2nd, Garden, Cows, Flowers, and Feathers is where you're going to find it. But you also is inspired by the pattern called Knit, K-N-Y-T. Check that out. And enjoy the rest of your day. Go out and have some fun today. Do something nice for someone. And practice a little squiggly, fun, feathery stuff. It's a nice big one, so you don't want to do it on a tiny scale. It's clearly much easier to do on the larger scale. This is my 6x8 large mixed media notebook that I'm working in. All right, you guys have a great day. I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.